Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now look at the beautiful question given on the board. We're going at the integral of x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 4 plus 4 the x. We are asked to integrate this function with respect to what? X. Please don't forget that this function is what? Is indefinite what? Integral, not definite what? Integral. Remember, indefinite integral, we have to have our upper limit, our lower limit, and our upper limit. This is what? Indefinite what? Integral. It does not require what? Our limits. Now, what are we going to do? Now, before we show you the real way of applying to this problem or to solve this problem, do you know that this problem have a very sweet part? Okay, have a very a very well understanding form. If you understand this concept I want to do, you know that this question is as simple as ABCD, right? Yes, because students find this question so challenges. Okay, now I'm going to show you an amazing thing you're going to do here so that this question can look so simple and smart. Now, this is a function given, right? And we're having x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 4 plus 4. Now, look at what I'm going to do. Whenever you differentiate the denominator and it look exactly the numerator, just take the natural logarithm with the denominator. But here now, if we differentiate 4x, 4 to the x to the power of 4 plus 4, we're going to have, if we differentiate x to the power of 4 plus 4, if we differentiate this is equals to 4x to the power of just what? 3. And this is the answer. So the derivative of this is just this. But the numerator here is x to the power of 3. It's not the same. Now what are we going to do? Now let me show you what you are going to do without not wasting a lot of time. But don't forget, I want to show you another original way you can solve it. Now I can write this as what? 1 over 4. The integral, because I added 1 over 4 here, which is the reciprocal of 4. I will now add 4 here at x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 4 plus what? 4 plus what? Multiplied by the x. Now, do you know that this is the same thing as this? Yes, because if 1 over 4 multiplied by all this function, I'm going to have exactly what to say, because this 4 will cancel out 4. Now, you can see that I multiplied 4 by x to the power of 3. That means if I differentiate what is at the denominator, which is x to the power of 4 plus 4, I'm going to have this exactly. So that means I will now take 1 over 4 multiplied by the length of the what? The denominator, which is x to the power of 4 plus what? 4 plus our integration constant c. This is the answer. This is the answer. Very simple. Remember, whenever you differentiate the denominator and it looks exactly the numerator, just take the natural logarithm of the denominator and you are done. But if they are not the same, you have to do something very smart. You can see what I did here. Very simple and interesting. But do you know that there's another method that will give you a full confidence of what you are doing? Let me show you that method. But take note of this. This is very interesting, right? Now let me remove this one here quickly. All right. Now let's make the denominator representing variable. Let's say let u equals to what? The denominator, which is x to the power of 4 plus what? 4, right? It means that the u over the x is equals to what? 4x to the power of what? 3. You can call this equation 1 and call this equation what? Equation 2. Right? Now, let me now call equation 2 because I'm going to work on it. Let's make the x the subject of the formula. That means the denominator here is 1, right? That means the u is equals to 4x to the power of 3 multiplied by what? The s, because we are multiplying both together, cross multiply, right? So if I divide both sides by 4 to the power of 3, I'm going to add that the s is equals to u, the u divided by 4x to the power of 3. Wow, this is amazing, right? I love this. Now from equation 1, from what? From equation 1, which we say that u is equals to s to the power of 4 plus what? 4, right? Let's make s the subject of the formula. That means I have to subtract 4 from both sides. So that becomes u minus 4 is equals to s to the power of 4. Now, for us to make s the subject of the formula, we have two options. We can either multiply both power by the reciprocal of 4, or we take the fourth root of both sides. So let's take the fourth root of both. The fourth root of u minus 4 is equals to the fourth root of what? S to the power of 4. Now, this we can also add this. So now see that our x is equals to the fourth root of what? U minus what? 4. Wow, I love this. Now let's go back to our original equation. Look at our original equation. So this now become what? The integral of, look at x. So s is small, s is equals to the fourth root of u minus 4. So this becomes the fourth root of what? U minus 4. Don't forget that the power of this x here is just 3 divided by all this now is u. 4 s to the power of 4 plus 4 is just u. So all this is just u. Now what is our the x? Our the x is what? Look at our the x. Our the x is what? Look at our the x here. Okay, our the x is the u divided by 4x to the power of 4 3. Wow, this is amazing. I love this. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? Now what are we going to do? We are trying to remove x at, but we are still having x here. Let's record that we have a value of x, right? Now the x is equal to the fourth root of what? X equals to the fourth root of u minus the fourth root of u minus 4. So this is become the integral of into the fourth root of what? U minus 1 all to the power of 3 divided by what? U multiplied by the u divided by 4 into, look at x, and x is what? X is the fourth root of what? The fourth root of u minus what? 4 all to the power of what? 3. Wow. Now you can see that this will cancel out what? This, right? So since this is going to itself is just 1, so now this is the integral of 1 divided by what? U multiplied by the u divided by what? 4. Amazing. Amazing. Now since we know that the coefficient, okay, the coefficient of the u here is what? Is 1 over what? 4. Because the coefficient of the u is 1 over what? 4, right? Now let's isolate the coefficient of the u, which is 1 over 4. So what are this is 1 over 4, the integral of 1 divided by u du. Wow. Now take note of what I'm saying. Whenever you differentiate the denominator and it looks exactly the numerator, take the natural logarithm of the denominator. Very simple. Now we're having here the integral 1 over 4 multiplied by the integral 1 over u du. Whenever you differentiate the denominator and it looks exactly the numerator, just take the natural logarithm of the word denominator. Now you can see that what is here is just u, right? Now if you differentiate u is just 1 and 1 is sent as 1 as the numerator. So what we're going to do just to say 1 over 4 multiplied by what? 1 over 4 multiplied by the natural logarithm of what? The denominator. And that is it. Plus our integration constant was c. Very simple, right? Now from here, remember that u is what? Look at u. U is s to the power of 4 plus 4. Okay? So that means this now become what? 1 over 4 ln s to the power of 4 plus what? Plus 4 plus our integration constant what? C. And this is the answer to this question. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? Or you can also write it as what? Ln into 1 s to the power of 4 plus 4 divided by what? 4 plus what? C. They are the same thing. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? But I hope you like this method. Look at the interesting method here. I hope you like this method. If you are given a function of the integral of s to the power of 3 divided by s to the power of 4 plus what? 4 dx. Now, don't joke with your time. Just observe when you differentiate the numerator, I'm going to have 4x to the power of 3, right? Now look at 4 here. So what you have to do, multiply 4 here and multiply it by the reciprocal of 4. So let's do it quickly. So now we can what? Multiply by the reciprocal of 4. This is reciprocal of 4. The integral, and multiply this by 4 s to the power of 3 divided by what? S to the power of 4 plus what? 4 dx. Now they are the same thing. Since we know that if you differentiate this now, you look exactly the numerator, which is 4s to the power of 3. Just take the natural logarithm of the what? The denominator, which is s to the power of 4 plus what? 4 plus integration constancy. And that is it. We are done. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and share it to your loved ones so others will learn. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel to enter another exciting video you notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.